Number of meme coins are there in the market. Some of them perform really well and most of the meme coins are on BSC scan in starting. They performed well, but after some days they didn't perform. But in this video I will share a meme coin which will surely follow the path of SafeMoon and will give us up to 40x from the current position. So stay tuned with us. Minicake proud to be the first cake yield generation and buyback token by jointly combined with an experienced team of developers and influencers in the cryptocurrency space that set up Minicake for the long-term growth and progress. The best part of this token, for example, if you are going to buy any altcoin directly from the CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or from the Uniswap or from the PancakeSwap exchange, that coin is not going to pay you even a single penny. Right now this token Minicake is available on CoinGecko, and also you can purchase this altcoin directly from the PancakeSwap exchange, and also they have a huge volume at the time of this video. Now some best things about this token, for example, if you are going to buy any altcoin, that altcoin is not going to pay you even a single penny, but Minicake is going to pay you in cake token. It means that, for example, if you are going to hold the Minicake altcoin with only and only $100, you will be able to collect some amount of cake. 14% tax and 7% is used to purchase the cake token, which is automatically paid out in the dividends to the holders automatically. 6% is split between buyback mechanism and the team fund. Marketing fund, which is 2%, can be used in extreme circumstances to correct the market volatility. Liquidity valued and locked 70%, unlock date 6 months. Total supply is 1 quadrillion. So that are the best features of this token Minicake, and as per my own idea, definitely this token will remove these 3 zeros in hardly 1 month. So what you think about the price idea, do let me know, and also follow them on the social media, because every day they are sharing new type of giveaways on their Twitter page. And here you can see something more. Anti-dump lock 1% selfie. Sales are restricted to less than 0.1% of the total supply, plus extra 1% fee is applied to all the sales. This will allow the team to reduce the swing trading and break whales control. So overall, the idea behind this token is awesome, and very soon the team is going to list this altcoin on a number of big exchanges. The best part that they are going to give you the cake token, and we all know that the cake token is listed on the Binance exchange, and also it is available on number of big exchanges. So you will be able to make some amount of cake without doing anything. You don't have to stake anything. You don't have to provide any type of liquidity. Simply you have to buy this altcoin, and already it has more than 6,232 holders. So definitely this coin will be huge, and as per my own idea, definitely it will surpass the SafeMoon. Okay, it will surpass the SafeMoon, and even it will surpass the Dogecoin in hardly next 6 to 8 months. What do you think? Do let me know. Thanks a lot.